Wells. H.G. Wells, the full form of H.G. is Herbert George Wells. Okay, Herbert George Wells. If you want to write down, you can write. Now, who is Herbert George Wells? Herbert George Wells was an English writer, and he was born in the year 1866 and died in 1946. So he used to write many stories, novels, and even biographies and autobiographies. He is now best remembered for his science fiction novels. He used to write more about science fiction novels and is often called the father of science fiction. Okay, he is also called the father of science fiction by many people. So let's see what this chapter is all about. Footprints without feet. As you can see from the title of the chapter, footprints without feet. It simply means that a person does not have the feet, but he has a footprint. He has footprints of his feet. So only an invisible man, just like Mr. India, can have footprints without feet. So, but it is not possible for someone to become invisible. So this story is about science fiction, where a scientist discovers how to make himself visible. So we will see in the story he uses his invisibility or he misuses his invisibility. That we will see in the story. Now this scientist's name is Griffin. The name of the scientist is Griffin. He discovers the rare chemicals which can make a man invisible, but at the same time, the man can be touched and felt physically. That is why his footprints are visible. So we will see how he uses or misuses his power. Now this man, Griffin, had been discovering ways which could make a man invisible, and he finally swallowed certain rare drugs that made him invisible. So he swallowed certain rare drugs which made him totally invisible. I'm just telling you the brief of the story. He was first noticed by two boys in staircase of a house where they could just see his footsteps and started following it. They follow it until the footsteps are fainter and cannot be seen anymore. First, as he is feeling cold, he enters a mall for some warmth. After the store shut down, he decides to wear some warm clothes and eat something. So he first tries a few clothes and wears them. Then from the kitchen of the restaurant he eats cold meat and some coffee. Later he goes to a grocery store and eats sweets and drinks and wine. He then falls asleep on a pile of quilts. Quilts means, what is the meaning of quilt? Quilt. While sleeping, you use blanket, जिसको शायद कंबल या रजाई बोलते हैं हिंदी में. So that is quilt. So he went and slept over on the pile of quilts. The pile means group of quilts. He then wakes up in the morning. Some of the store assistants had seen him and started chasing him. He quickly threw away all the clothes he was wearing and became invisible again. Okay? Then he started roaming around again without any clothes in the cold winters of London. So every man can see him if he is wearing clothes, and if he is not wearing any clothes, then he will be invisible for everyone. So it was winter, and in London he was roaming around in the streets without any clothes, so he was feeling very, very cold. He then decides to steal clothes from a theatre company, as he knew he would get something there to cover his face as well. So then what he does, he goes to the theatre company from where he got steel bandages for his face, dark glasses, false nose, and a hat for covering himself. So he also wanted to cover his face. He got many clothes also, and for his face he got steel bandages for his face. स्टील का बना हुआ था. नो नो स्टील का नहीं बना हुआ था. ही देन स्टील्स मतलब ही चोरी कर लेता है बैंडेजेस फॉर हिज फेस. फेस को पूरे बैंडेज से ढकता है. ही गॉट डार्क ग्लासेस फॉर हिज आईज एंड अ फॉल्स नोज. नकली नोज ले लेता है एंड अ हैट फॉर कवरिंग हिमसेल्फ. He then hits the shopkeeper and steals all his money. So what he is doing, he is misusing his power. He steals all the money, and soon he realizes that London is too crowded to live like this, and decides that he would go to a remote village. एक छोटा village चला जाएगा और वहाँ रहेगा. He books 2 rooms at an inn at the Iping village. He books 2 rooms there. He reaches there, and it is strange for the people of Iping that a stranger with such a weird appearance has come to stay at an inn during the winter season. Once his money is over, he steals from people and also hits the landlord and his wife when they try to check his room in his absence. Then the village constable is asked for help, but before that, Mrs. Hall, the wife of the landlord, asks him questions regarding who he is and what he did to her furniture. So everybody was curious that who is this man and why what he's doing here, why he covers his face like this and why he's wearing a hair hat. Who is he? So Mrs. Hall was very suspicious, and she asked him questions, a lot of questions. She also asked him that what he did to her furniture. This makes the man Griffin very angry, and he decides to. Okay, who is sharing this? What are you sharing? Vaibhav and Vishal. What are you sharing? The chapter? Don't you have your book? What? Okay. So you just read this chapter at home, and please buy the book, otherwise. The two boys started in surprise at the fresh, muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. What was a barefooted man doing on the steps of a house in the middle of London? And where was the man? Okay, so the chapter starts like this, that the two boys was in surprise that from where this mm, man is, like where how he is roaming in the streets without any footwear, like he is barefoot. What was the barefooted man doing on the steps of a house in the middle of London? And where was the man? They wanted to know this. As they gazed, a remarkable sight met their eyes. So, as they looked for the man, a remarkable sight met their eyes. It was a remarkable sight which cannot be forgotten easily. A fresh footmark appeared from nowhere. Okay, like the man was invisible, and that is why they can only see the footprint, which came from nowhere because the man was invisible. Further footprints followed one after another, descending the steps and progressing down the streets. So they can see on the steps, on the staircase, they can see that the footprints are going down on the streets, but they cannot see the man with the foot, who is doing the footprint on the steps. The boys followed, surprised. They were very surprised by seeing this, and they followed the man, the invisible man's footprint, until the muddy impressions became fainter and fainter, and at last disappeared altogether. So they followed till where they can see the footprints, and at last the footprint disappeared. The explanation of the mystery was really simple enough. The bewildered, the surprised boys had been following a scientist who had just discovered how to make the human body invisible. Am I audible to all? सबको समझ आ रहा है? Hmm. Mahima Mahesh is sharing this. You can see the chapter. The explanation of the mystery was really simple enough. The bewildered boys had been following a scientist who had just discovered how to make human body transparent. Griffin the scientist had carried out experiment after experiment to prove that the human body could become invisible. So he has done lots of experiments to what to make. He wanted to make people invisible, and he has done lots of experiments for that. Suddenly, one day, he consumed certain drugs which made his body invisible, though it could be felt. The body could be felt, the physical, it can be touched by anybody. Anybody can feel the physical body, but it cannot be seen. Okay. Griffin was a lawless person, as he had once burned down the house of his landlord, who was trying to throw him out of the house. So he was a bad person. He was not afraid of the law, not afraid of police or anyone, because once what happened, he burned his landlord's house, who tried to throw him out of the house. As he wanted to be invisible, he had to remove his clothes and then roam around without clothes, without money. His presence was felt after he stepped in some mud, and his footprints could be seen as he walked. So, why? Because he stepped on the mud. His footprints can be seen now. That is why his presence was felt by the two boys. Now, next, see the next paragraph. He escaped easily enough from the boys. From here, we will see what happens. If you want to ask any hard word meaning, you can ask me in chat. Okay. He is easily escaped the boys who followed him, but he had many more adventures coming up. He escaped the boys, but now he has a lot of adventures coming. London. He has chosen a bad time because winter season going on and the air was very cold. And he had to wear something because it was very cold. But if he wears something, he will be visible by many people. So he decided to stay inside a store for a while. As he went inside the store and closing time arrived, the doors of the store were shut and nobody was there inside. He got food to eat and wore new clothes without paying for it. He became visible again as he wore shoes, overcoat, and a hat. What then? What next he found? He found cold meat and coffee in the kitchen and he ate them. After that, he has also uh, eaten sweets and drank wine from the grocery store. Then he slept on the pile of quilts kept nearby and could not wake up on time. तो सुबह जल्दी वो नहीं उठ पाता है. Next morning, when the assistants came and started approaching him, he became nervous and started running away. Then the assistants started chasing him as well. He escaped only because he quickly removed his new shoes. Again, he was invisible and naked without any money in the cold air of January in London. So, next three paragraphs are over, 3 to 4 paragraphs are over. Tomorrow we will continue, or whenever you have your next class, we will continue with this chapter. Okay? Any doubts, children? You can ask me if you have any doubts. Uh, be ready with your doubts for the next class. You can ask me then. Now you all can leave meeting as the time is over. Children.